sustains my soul each day. No more hunger, no more thirst, when in your truth I stay. Your voice gives strength to me. I live by every word you speak. Your truth